I wish I could leave my skin behind in this old rented room, float my way across the great divide and be buried in you. I've been looking far and wide for what I gotta prove, and putting peaks in my rear view. Well, it's colder here than anyone told me the South could get, and I took to staying up real late and smoking cigarettes. The cheap tobacco burns the way that bridge between us did, and I'm left looking at the glowing ends. But am I too far gone to be running home? 'Cause I'm longing tonight to be somewhere across that great divide. I wish I could take the hands of time and turn them in reverse. I'd take back every long goodbye with venom in my words. The only way to being found is getting lost at first, but all I find are more bridges to burn. So am I too far gone to be running home? 'Cause I'm longing tonight to be somewhere across that great divide. Well, the highway has a way of playing tricks on tired eyes. I swear that I see you riding shotgun late at night. Seems that you're the only thing that never leaves my mind, the only thing worth getting right. So am I too far gone? 'Cause I'm running home. If only in my mind I am somewhere across that great divide. You met her smoking cigarettes in the men's room. You liked her high heels, she liked his tattoo. She said she'd never been east of the West Coast, couldn't stand all the palm trees and windows, called herself baby. Baby. Growing up in a first world's worst dream, grace-giving, God-fearing, good family. But when his hair grew long and his skin grew soft, all they saw was all wrong. Didn't see baby, baby. She took him walking down the streets of her hometown, and she showed him how she makes her living now. And he made her swear she'll break out somehow. And he thinks about her even now. Wonder where she's been and how. And if she's smoking cigarettes in the men's room, he wants to show her his new tattoo. It says, baby, Ruby, she was made for going west, did not protest my wandering ways. Ruby, she was pretty as they come, 28 years young and unafraid. She gave me shelter on the coldest nights, shaded me on summer days. I had never known my place before, but that's what Ruby soon became. Ruby, she wasn't good at going fast, and the patience that I lacked, I learned to grow. 'Cause Ruby had a way of breaking down, leaving me out there on the road. She gave me shelter on the coldest nights, shaded me on summer days. So as we traveled across the country wide, Ruby set the pace. Ruby could be fickle and unfit, good as I would get at times. Ruby was the closest thing to home I'll ever know in this life. But Ruby hit that California sand and slipped right through my hands eventually. Ruby, I guess I knew it all the time. She was never mine to keep. She gave me shelter on the coldest nights, shaded me on summer days, and nothing ever felt like home again when Ruby went away. And nothing ever felt like home since when sit down. Indiana was a long shot, and I could use another round. I don't mean to be too bold. No, it's not at all like me. But when you're making your way home, would you like some company? 'Cause I'm tired of sleeping on my own. And I've such a long way to go. And you remind me of somebody I know. Can I stay with you a while? Whiskey eyelids weigh me down some. When a smoke-filled talk comes too close, and it's these moments where my mind runs from the emptiness of open roads. And I'm tired of sleeping on my own. I've such a long way to go. And you remind me of somebody I know. Can I stay with you a while? Come tomorrow, I'll be gone again. So don't ask me for much. I'm no good at keeping promises. I promise this is enough. And I'm tired of sleeping on my own. Oh, it's such a goddamn lonely road. And I'm sleeping alone. But you remind me of somebody I know. Can I stay with you a while? 'Cause you remind me of someplace I call home. Can I stay with you a while? I'm sorry for the things I said. I never meant to break you the way you broke. In the distance over bridges, I hear you calling out through the smoke. And I hold my breath while you choke. I watch the cars crash in slow motion, didn't look away. Should have seen what was coming. You stopped running, but all I know is the chase. I never learned how to stay. The truth is I'm no good for you. You probably know it by now, but in case you don't, someone to